Welcome back to Car Flair. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is a fresh take on compact luxury and smart mobility, tailored for those who crave the freedom of the open road without compromising on modern convenience. With its sleek aerodynamic design and futuristic stance, this motorhome blends the ruggedness of a long-distance traveler with the elegance of a high-end lifestyle vehicle. On the exterior, Nissan has embraced a minimalist yet bold approach. Smooth curves flow seamlessly from front to rear, accented by LED matrix headlights and chrome detailing. Solar panels integrated into the roof support auxiliary systems, making off-grid camping more viable than ever. The motorhome rides on reinforced all-terrain tires, and an adjustable air suspension system ensures a smooth ride over any terrain. Inside, the 2026 Nissan Motorhome surprises with a roomy, well-lit interior.
Your schedule, your stops, your space. That's the beauty of motorhome travel.
The front lounge area is crafted with ultra-soft seating, swivel chairs, and a retractable smart TV. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood, while panoramic windows offer breathtaking views wherever you park. The design emphasizes comfort, with eco-friendly materials and a modern color palette that feels both calm and luxurious. The kitchenette is equipped with a dual-burner induction stove, a high-efficiency fridge, a microwave, and touch-latch cabinetry that maximizes storage. A smart table doubles as a workspace and dining area, ideal for both leisure and remote work. The sleeping quarters feature a convertible bed system with memory foam cushions, overhead lighting, and USB charging ports within easy reach. Adjacent is a compact yet fully functional bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, water-saving toilet, and built-in ventilation system. Under the hood, the Nissan Motorhome runs on a next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining electric and fuel efficiency with enough torque to handle hilly terrains and long-distance cruising. With Nissan's latest ProPilot Assist and 360-degree camera tech, maneuvering this home on wheels is safer and easier than ever.
Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews.